Like all survivors, I once thought, when I'm home, I won't give a damn. But now I know I'm caught. I'll never leave Vietnam. War isn't over when it ends. Some pictures never leave your mind. They are the faces of the children, the ones we left behind. They're called Bidoi, the dust of life, conceived in hell and born in strife. They are living reminders of all the good we failed to do. We can't forget it, must not forget that they are all our children too. These kids hit walls on every side. They don't belong in any place. There's secrets they can't hide. It's written on their face. Who'd ever thought one day I'd plan for half-breeds from a land that's torn? But then I saw a camp for children whose crime was being born. They're called Bidoi, the dust of life, conceived in hell and born in strife. We owe them fathers and a family, a loving place they never knew, because we know deep in our heart that they are all our children too. These are kids in need. They need us to give. Someone has to pay for their chance to live. Help me try. And born in strife, they are the living reminders of all the good we failed to do. That's why we know deep in our hearts that they are all our children.